I was just going to say, you have actually got a good example of when you might want to use static there, because ReSharper did it for you in your getInt method.
Oh, right. The getInt method is something that you would generally want to use static for. When you have a method that is pure, well, actually, this method isn't pure. Sadly, it isn't. So for sake of it, I guess I can't say that it is, but it is conceptually staticable because it really it returns a value and takes an input. It does not depend on external state. You can argue that it does because it accesses console write and console.readline and console.writeline, which technically do impact or alter the state of the program externally, and it isn't pure because it doesn't necessarily return the same result every time. That being said, the attributes that make this a good candidate for being static is that it doesn't depend on any other member of any other class other than other properly static methods such as .write, .readline, .writeline. So it's very self-contained, and it makes it a very good candidate for being static.
Basically, it's always, I mean, it's there in the title, it gets an int. So it's always going to be used in the same way as the key. It's not something that is going to be changed.
Right. If it did alter some sort of external state, then I would be very tempted to make a class out of this and store the external state and encapsulate that external state in your own class. Because then once you start having static methods that alter state, you run into a situation where if you try to reuse that same code for different purposes, you'll run into a situation where you have to copy and paste your code so that references different variables.